Hello, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel After Bones Classroom. Today we are here with 9 different sounds of A. Here are IP signs, Bengali pronunciation and word. This is first time in YouTube. Ah, ah. Let's pronounce the word with me. Ant, apple, ah, ah, zebra, umbrella, umbrella. Ah, 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 father, father, tomato, ah, ah, wash, son, son, oh, oh, water, ball, air, air, parent, area, a, many, any, I, village, village, cabbage, cabbage, a, angle, angle, table, table. All these process are the British pronunciation, so don't be confused with the American pronunciation. Let's pronounce again. A, o, a, o, a, a. Here, a and air, these two are diphthongs and all these things are vowel. This is the end of this class. Stay tuned with After Bones Classroom, and we have got another phonics sounds if you like this video. Bye bye.